Thanks for showing up. I'm here once again with my Nail Bestie, and we are opening Black Friday packages. This one coming to us from Nailpedia Supply Company. Again, they are in Canada and carrying Korean and Japanese gels. I think Japanese, but Korean for sure. I have ordered from Nailpedia before. I've gotten D-gel from them that I really like. So, yeah. So there's their card. Nice. Oh, we got stuff to get rid of here. Let's just figure out where we're gonna put that. Okay, here's a bag. Little bits of stuffing. So from here, I noticed shopping on their site, one of the main things I noticed is that a lot of their stuff was not full collections. Like they didn't have necessarily the option to just buy the full collection. Okay. It was, you can buy them all individually to get a full collection. But for me, I'm very much a person that wants to just click the whole collection and get it all. Ooh. So, oh, this is so neat. I've seen this.
Is it like
samples? It's a sample. Can you believe that? A gel nail polish sample?
Oh, like, that's cool, eh?
That's really wild. Yeah. So I don't know how that would work to put it on. I guess you would just like squeeze it out and then use a brush, application brush and try and hope that...
Try some new colors.
Yeah, you're just doing it as a sample to see what it looks like, right? Yeah, you're not actually using it on a client because I'm like, yeah, that wouldn't really work so well. Yeah, but yeah, just to see what the actual color looks like, that's a fantastic idea. Yeah, actually. It is. Because there's lots of times where you're like, is this going to match? Oh, what is this for? I do not know. I do not know. I don't remember what all is in here, so... There it is.
There's the base.
There's the peel-off base that I've been wondering. Okay, so I got it from here. So we're going to try this on you. This is a peel-off base gel. And so we're going to put this down first. It's totally clear. Yeah. And then the idea is, I'll have to do a little more research on it. The idea is that when we go to take off your nails, hopefully even with glue, that this will let go from your nail. So that we don't have to fight the glue, right? Yeah. So the peel-off base will just kind of automatically let it go, right?
All right.
So I don't know if this is from some of the things I got. Yeah, maybe. Or if it's just extra goodies they gave you to do samples, right? Nail samples. So, all right. And again, I don't remember what I got. All right. Except that there was little bits of different stuff. So, okay. Oh, yes. This is where I got the Mithmillo Cake Gels. That's what these are. So, remember I said I was looking at these. Ooh. They look like eyeshadows. Yes. And I was supposed to only buy a couple. I got a little bit more than a couple. Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Because they're so pretty.
Oh, my God.
And I only got glitter ones because I'm like, I don't like using like putting gels or solid gels so much.
Can you open one?
No. Okay, yes, I can.
Just let me see what it looks like inside.
There's probably a cover on it. Oh, there's not. Look at.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, so... You can buy the whole set. There's like 50 in the whole set. But yeah, no, that's like a couple grand.
That one's really nice. Those are really nice.
Yeah, right? Wow. So it'll be interesting to see this. So the idea here is that it's like using glitter. Yeah. Only there's a little bit sometimes of a base color in there. And you're not fighting so much. So whenever I do nails with you with glitter, because I have so many loose glitters, your nail starts getting a little more thick. Right? Because you got to encapsulate the glitters and they kind of stick up and everything like that. Whereas when you're doing it with something like this, the idea is that it's going to lay a lot flatter. You're not going to get as thick of a nail and you're not going to have to fight with it as much, so it won't be encapsulated. So here's one of the ones that I got from like AliExpress. And so I tried to get one that was close to similar so I could see what's the real difference. Well, this one is very yellow. That's interesting. I didn't expect that. Let's see. They didn't have the exact color that I wanted to match this just because they were sold out. So I won't be able to get the exact one. But just to see whether the consistency is the
Those
same,
do look
whether
just
it
like
does
the
look as good.
eyeshadows.
Yeah, they're eyeshadow
Yeah,
compacts,
crazy.
basically, right? So, yeah,
They're
so
really
maybe they
cool.
gave me these little guys to do samples of those.
Maybe.
I don't know, we'll see. But I feel like now that I got this many of the cake gels from Mithmillo, that I can't only compare to one AliExpress gel. I got to get a few more of those to be able to compare them all to see if they actually are similar or not. Okay.
Wow.
And then the other ones I got from here are Aurora Queen. Again, that super fancy. And these are a weird gel too, but I was like intrigued.
Ooh.
I was like, because
they look sparkly. Are they sparkly?
They're sparkly, but there's something else too. I can't remember what.
They're so small.
See that little tiny 10 mil. So they like weird.
They're very.
They had a weird texture. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, like they have little strings in them too that make it look. I think it was tweed. I think it was called the tweed that I got a few from. I don't think it says anywhere on here. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't remember what the collection was. It just says Aurora Queen Glitter. So it was, I want to say it was out of it was called the Tweed Collection or something. Because they all had, like, it looks like tweed, like fibers in it.
Oh, wow. That
was
nice.
But along with all kinds of glitters. And yeah, they're just so pretty. So it's hard to see. Yeah, you're going to have to wait for the swatch. Beautiful. But there are like little strands in there. What looks like strand fibers as opposed to just pretty glitters, right? So I was like, if they'd had the whole collection, but they didn't have it all.
Wow.
I don't have anything like this. I don't typically like that kind of colors. So I made sure I bought it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I don't usually kind of really like that kind of color.
Ooh.
That's the stuff I like,
yeah. Yeah, that's really
blues
nice.
And purples and pinkies. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are super pretty. So yeah, that was Nailpedia. And then yeah, they just must have added this in a little
I think the
thing for doing the samples.
Are so cool.
Yeah, you do, but you know.
I know, yeah, I'm not.
And especially like even in a salon, I guess it's nice when you get a new set of colors and you're like, put it up on your desk and you're like, here's the newest stuff I got in stock, right? Yeah, that makes sense. I can see that. It should be optional. That's what I think. It should be optional to add it to your order. Yeah. That you're going to pay the extra couple bucks to have, you know, the fancy placards and different things like that, so that you're not paying for stuff that you're not necessarily going to use or want. Because I have quite a few things like this now that none of it gets used, right? So
well, it was all beautiful and
sparkly. So that was Nailpedia. So all right, guys. So take it easy and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep getting this stuff and doing swatches and checking it all out and seeing what it looks like in comparison to other products. And also, don't forget to love your nails. Okay, bye.